The difference is immediate. The snow deflector changes how ATV plowing feels. We'll look at the problem, the install, and the real-world result. Without a deflector, snow comes right up over the blade.
Ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time for that.
Especially in powder or at speed. It hits your chest, your helmet, and sometimes your face. It doesn't look bad on camera, but after a few passes, it gets old. Oh yeah, that's Honda for you. The concentration is strong with this one. Well, there it is. The magic that will make life easier. Thank you, Amazon. Video's not sponsored yet. What do we got here? Look at this bad boy. Wow. Feels like heavy-duty rubber flap. This mounts along the top of your plow. Simple idea. Force snow forward instead of up. This is about 6 inches high. Pretty thick, pliable, feels heavy duty. I like it. Mounting kit, everything you need. Bolts, washers, nuts. Although the washers feel fairly small, so I'll see if I have bigger ones. If not, it's a trip to the hardware store. Cha-ching! And here we are, home hardware. The washers that come with it are a bit small. With vibration and cold, I wanted more surface area, so I picked up larger washers. Okay, here are the tools we're gonna need. We got a drill. We got the deflector, tape measure, and the white pencil crayon. We don't have the luxury of owning a garage, so we gotta deal with this out here. Actually, I got a better idea. I'm just gonna trace this. I'm gonna put this right next to the holes, put my little mark where the holes are, and that's how we're doing it. Yeah, top. Bigger washer on top through this hole. And I'm actually going to use my smaller washers that are a bit bigger than what the kit came with underneath.
6 months later.
Look at that. Those snowmobilers are ripping it up pretty good. Voila! Wow. No more snow. Or should I say, no more eating snow. When you're plowing and there's lots of snow. If you want to follow this install step by step, I put together a free printable checklist. The link's in the description. The difference is immediate. Less snow blowback, better visibility, and it's more comfortable in real winter conditions. It's not flashy, but for the price, this is one of the most noticeable upgrades you can make to an ATV plow. It's that good. Take 30. No, I'm kidding. It's 31. Damn it. It gets old. Come on. 1-1 testing, 1-1-1. Top of the plow edge is where the snow deflector goes.